Okay guys, so we're back. This is now our second video. We're gonna try and post, well, I guess we're gonna post twice a week this week, which is kind of impressive.
What?
And so the plans for this video, we just wanted to go over them since last time we failed to do that. We have this go-kart back here, we'll show you in a minute, and the clutch is burnt out on it, along with it idles for days, but when you give it throttle, it'll cut out and die, because these older go-kart motors don't like the ethanol, and so we filled it up at Casey's, and that gas has a lot of ethanol in it. So we're gonna put some ethanol remover in it, along with some seafoam in it, just to clean out the carb and get whatever bad stuff that's in the gas since it's been sitting for a while. But yeah, tomorrow we're gonna go out and rip it, hopefully, with the new clutch, and hopefully it idles right with the ethanol remover and the seafoam in it. And yeah. So just wanted to let you guys know what the heck we're doing so you understand it, but let's not keep talking. Let's get right into the video.
Thank God.
Thank God. Okay, now we're cutting it out. Okay guys, so as you can see, here's the go-kart we were talking about earlier. It's a nice little blue go-kart, won't see it of course. I think it's like a 5 or 6 horsepower motor. It comes to one, so it's the ones that are basically pieces of crap because the carburetors go out on them like every month, I swear. Whether you ride it or you don't, the carburetors just go out on those things. So here's the truck project in the last video I was talking about. We got all the parts on the trailer, so I gotta get these out of the way. And I'm gonna attempt to get it off by myself because Alan here is a little bit crippled right now. Get the side step out of the way, and then you just go for it.
Go, muscle man. Come on.
Yeah. I'm gonna move this over here first.
Let's see what cross country.
Let's see what cross country does, yeah. You guys don't already know, I run cross country. I used to play soccer, but that got moved to the spring, so this fall I'm running cross. Which, I mean, it's fun. It gives me something to do. Okay. Go about it this way. These things aren't that heavy, which is nice. Comes in handy when you have crippled friends.
Screw you. Hey, I didn't swear.
I know you didn't swear. We're progress.
Progress.
Because it's a pain to edit. I just like having the clips so you can just fuse them together. It makes life easy for me.
There she is.
Rear tires don't hold air, so we're gonna have to air these up real quick. But yeah, here's the go-kart. She looks nice, but needs a little bit of work to her.
Yeah, let's show them the clutch that we're going to be replacing.
Oh yeah.
It's going to be, you see that right there? Yeah, we're going to just pop her off and replace it.
Yep. We have our brand new clutch right here, but if you look, the sprocket size is not the right size for this sprocket on here in the chain. So, what we're thinking is, we have this clutch right here, and we could just use the old clutch cover, but it's pretty beat up. So, what the heck did we do? Oh, they're right here. They're on the four-wheeler. And this shoebox here. We have
The lucky
shoebox.
shoebox.
This one looks to be the perfect size. So, we might just do a little... Oh.
Do a little what, Justin? We could take off the piece from the internals of that and just switch them out.
You think that'll work?
Let's hope it works.
Well, that works, sort of. I think, I hope. I don't know. How does that fit on there? Wouldn't even be able to tell the difference if you ask me.
Where's the internals to that one? That clutch. Why don't we just use that clutch?
Right here. We'll just... Oh. Yeah, we're just gonna use this clutch now, I guess. Shoot, I'm putting it on back. I'm doing something wrong. I'm doing something wrong. Hold up. This one's like a piece of junk. Hold up. This one's a pretty nice clutch, but same thing with this
Just
one.
take that piece off of, take that piece and try and
Pretty sure that was burnt out.
Oh.
We have these extra sprockets are from torque converters, so those won't work. We'll figure it out and we'll get back to you guys. Just give us a hot second.
Go. Come on.
Yeah, we can't get this ring off. We freaking tried.
No, this is our first try right here. Justin, don't stand in the way of the camera.
Yeah, shut up. This is, guys, watch this. This is our first try, so
First try?
Yep, for sure. First try. Oh, solid first try. We promise it was our first try.
Let's
Second try.
Redo on the first.
Oh, redo on the first. Yep.
Yeah, that.
Oh, freak.
I'm thinking about trying the old clutch.
No, we're not keeping that sucker on.
I can move the old clutch so much,
dude.
you can barely.
We're getting so close, but
Focus.
so far. Focus, camera. Ow, fudge.
Let's try
Zoom
the
out
old
real quick. Ow, freak. No, we're not trying the old clutch. This sucker's coming off, dude. Once I started on something, I ain't quitting. Are you?
I'm still recording.
Sorry if the camera quality is
have to
sucky.
edit this thing.
I don't care. I'll edit it. You ready? Ready? First try. Boom! No, dude, we just need the professional tool. Give me a flathead. Yeah, sorry about the lighting, guys. It kind of sucks. But we kind of got her off. It's definitely not reusable. Sure it is. just what? Just hit it with a hammer, maybe. She'll be fine.
Yeah,
Just makes it easier to get it off next time, right?
Yeah.
I don't even know why it's on in the first place. Come on,
I put my
dude.
whole weight into this thing. Now that ain't saying much, but you think 120 pounds could do a little something?
Weak. Here, you want to switch real quick?
I am committed now, Justin.
We use this little. Oh, focus. It's so dark
Right,
out. Oh,
Justin.
there we go. So here's our
Watch
little
your
pick. Here's the little pick we used.
I'm
it's a
literally
wonderful
putting
pick.
on my whole damn.
And then we're using needle nose pliers. But yeah, I mean.
The first one popped off. First try, and I'm not.
Okay, we're gonna be right back. We're gonna have a little break or something. I don't know. I think we found another problem.
I think you're hitting it the wrong way.
Think? Maybe. Why not?
Actually, wait. I think I was wrong. I'm pretty sure I was wrong on that, Justin.
Amateur hour.
Yeah, let me get a whack at her.
3, 2, 1. It's kind of fun.
Hey, she's moving.
She's coming out. Guys, we're trained professionals. Please don't try this at home. Okay, if the audio or quality is different, I'm on the iPhone now. Camera died. We have a spare battery, but of course that one's dead too, so we just want to fill you guys in on what we've done tonight. So, you know how we said we're going to swap that carb out? I mean, not the carb, the clutch? Well, we did. We put the old one back on. The new ones, our new adapters, nothing fit right, and we were missing parts for all of them, so we can't hook up any of the new ones. Plus, they're the wrong sprocket size, and the only one we have is the right sprocket size is missing a part to it, of course. So we threw the old one back on. I mean, it still runs, it's not the fast accelerating one. But we put the okay, yeah, push it through the yard. And then we put the ethanol and seafoam in, so that should be helping it run better. So we're gonna go out to the country since it's really late at night right now. So here's our seafoam we put in it, and then this stuff, ethanol remover, fuel treatment. Yeah, it helps. I'm pretty sure it's ethanol remover. Well, I use it. I don't know. You guys should too. If you guys have a GoPro motor and it won't run, it's probably due to ethanol. If you've tried everything else. But yeah, we're simply just gonna go out to the country and let it idle for a bit. Let all the fluids work their way in. I would flip the camera on, but you can't do that while filming on the iPhone. I mean, I could try and rotate. Hopefully my face is in it. So yeah, we're gonna go do that, and then probably see you guys tomorrow when we're gonna go out riding it in the country with the better camera and a GoPro from Sam. Okay guys, so I'm back. I just wanted to fill you in. So the last clip you saw, it was me filming on my iPhone with Alan, and we were getting the go-kart out of the garage, saying we were gonna go get a GoPro with Sam and ride around in the country with it. Well, no, we said we were gonna go out into the country and test it because it was gonna be really loud, like just idle it in the bed of the truck. Well, we actually unloaded it and decided to rip it around in the country late at night. So that's what we did, and I'll throw in a little clip here soon of that. And then when I talked about all that GoPro stuff, well, that never happened. So I'm sorry if you're looking forward to that. I did film a lot of other funny clips that I will be throwing in the video. It's very unorganized, just like the last one, but I mean, we're getting somewhere. We're at least uploading. We're gonna upload at least twice this week, which is doggone impressive. It's very fun, and we enjoy doing this, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. If you haven't already and you're watching till this point, might as well subscribe. Also hit the thumbs up button. Really help us out. Yeah, just enjoy the rest of the video, and see you guys later. Okay guys, so Alan's out doing some late night testing purposes. Yeah, do not try this. I got the pathway lit up for him. We do have 2 little flashlights on it so cars can see it, and then we got reflectors on the back, so we're pretty well set. But this thing is a freaking ripper. It's so much fun. Look at him go. Yes, sir. We'll catch you guys in the morning. Or no, tomorrow afternoon where we'll do some ripping and get some better shots of it in the day. So until then, see you guys tomorrow afternoon.
No, looks fine to me.
Oh, okay.
We're even recording.
I know. Yeah, we're headed out into the country.
Yep, and then Caden's somewhere back there. You can see the little hat poking. Don't hit the Buick.
I won't.
Oh, there's the Buick. Hell, if I get it on camera. The little Buick.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Yeah, we have no clue where we left off yesterday. So, sorry if this is like a rough transition. It's the next day. We wanted it to be the evening, but of course, we're teenagers, so it's nighttime and we're headed back out. But yeah. Yep.
Time to go ride. We actually got the good camera this time too. We're not using the iPhone.
Yeah, we're not using the piece of junk phone because the batteries died on us yesterday.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're about to have some fun tonight for sure.
It died right after we were beating the crap out of that O-ring.
Yeah. Yep.
Yep. Well,
I'll do it.
See you when we get out there. What are they gonna do, Justin?
Nothing. Don't worry about it. Hey guys, check this out though. We just got a car wash at Circle K. Hold up, I gotta put the camera so I can see what the car wash. Yeah, dude, I've never used one of these. So we use the Safe Touch, whatever it's called, or like Gentle Touch. And look at this freaking thing. Holy crap. Let's just say people are gonna show up to school tomorrow and realize that they can't draw on my truck anymore. Yeah. Look how good this looks. Oh my gosh, guys, look, the rims are clean. Woo. I know, dude, look. Okay.
Yeah, you ain't gotta keep honking.
Look at that. Yeah, I got my grill removed. I'm putting a Ford Raptor one on here in a minute. And in one of the videos soon, you'll see the Ford Raptor grill, right, Alan?
Yeah. You're putting a Raptor grill on this?
Yeah, it's gonna become a Fraptor, boys.
Oh my.
What's so funny? You don't want me to get a Fraptor?
No, not even a little bit.
Too bad.
It needs a light bar.
It
Yes.
does need a
Light bar.
You know where I'm thinking?
Underground too.
On my new bumper. Light bar right here. That would be... Okay, you're funny.
Turn the light off.
What?
Hard left. I'm trying to drive here.
Turn the brakes off. Turn the brakes off. You're fucking the horn.
I can't see shit without light.
Sorry, man. You don't need to see. Just...
Alright. So, you guys can't. Oh, there we go. So, we're back here riding the golf cart on roads. It feels like it's like 32 back here. It's so cold.
You're wearing shorts too.
Yeah, I'm also wearing some shorts. It's quite fun. Woo! Ah.
And yes, I do know there's a cricket in my garage before all you guys comment that. Let's go try and find him. He is somewhere over here in this corner. Nope, that's not it. It's so annoying. He's been silent for about the past. Oh. No freaking way. I don't even know how to zoom in on this camera. It's kind of a problem. Look at that. Oh, we found the cricket. No freaking way. Oh my god.